ग्लोरी ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन के ज़ेर एहतमाम शाहीन नगर में वाक़ ग्लोरी जूनियर कॉलेज में साल 2022 के लिए नीट और एमसेट की कोचिंग का आगाज़। ग्लोरी ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन पर लड़के और लड़कियों के लिए अलहदा बैचेस के साथ अलहदा औकात रखे गए हैं। तजुर्बेकार फ़ैकल्टीज़ की निगरानी में कोचिंग फ़राहम की जा रही है। ग्लोरी ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन के डायरेक्टर सैयद अज़हर ने तफसीलात बताते हुए कहा कि इस सुनहरे मौके से इस्तेफ़ादा हासिल करें। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट AHN न्यूज़।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself, Syed Azhar, Managing Director Correspondent, Glory Group of Institutions. Very glad to inform you all that a wonderful results after we achieved wonderful results from intermediate, MSET and Neet coaching this year, and now we have started and Neet and MSET new batch for the academic year 2022 with a minimal fee structure, separate batches and separate timing for boys and girls. We are welcome to all the parents, students to come forward and have a wonderful coaching and experienced faculties, experienced trainers who guide you for your successful career, which will be helpful from the Glory Group of Institutions. We are going to guide you in all round performance in your career. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair.
For with almost 20 plus students they are attending. So our first batch is basically a girls batch, and next week we are starting the boys batch also for NEET and MSET. So without waiting for the NEET 2021 results, we thought that now it's time for to start for the NEET 22 batch. So we have started, and Alhamdulillah, it's a very good response we have received from the students. Daily on average 20 students they are attending our classes, and we are looking forward for the NEET 21 result, which is due on October 10th, as per the information and news which we are receiving from various sources. So without waiting for the result, we have initiated this fresh batch so that we can deliver our best to the students. Thank you.
हमारे HN न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशंस आते रहे वक्त पर।